I once took a girl who's now my main chick. I once took her to a hotel in another country. So it was one of her first trips abroad. And she opens up her suitcase. We're at a 5-star hotel, $2,000 a night.
Right.
I've decided to take her with me. I've known the girl a year.
Right.
Wonderful woman. Opens up her suitcase, and there's a big-ass hairdryer in her suitcase. I was like, a hairdryer in your suitcase? Now, for you guys listening at home, you'd be like, what does that mean? Everybody knows that every 5-star hotel has a hairdryer attached in the bathroom. So this girl hasn't been hanging out ever in any luxury 5-star hotels. She's just the simple girl who she told me she was. Because what girl would pack a hairdryer? Everyone knows if every 5-star hotel has one.
She would know.
But she didn't know.
She didn't know.
Because that was her first time at a 5-star hotel.